In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this crankcase vent valve on this Mercedes E350. This is going to be located on the passenger side towards the back of the engine. Let's get into it. Take this cover off, just grab, slide it up. It will be clipped in. You might have to use a trim tool and pop out those clips. Grab these hoses on the side, just twist back and forth a little bit. Pull those out of the way. You can pop those out if you want. Those just pop out there. On the back here, there is a clip. You just want to take a screwdriver, just pop that back out of the way, and grab this cover right here and on the front. Just pull it up slightly. Do the same on this side. Just like that. There is a hose right here. Just pop that hose off. And you can slide it out. We're going to pop this hose off. Slide that off, out of the way. And we're going to take these 4 bolts out. Use a T30 socket. Loosen those up. Take those out. Pull that out and grab the valve, and it slides right out. Some of the old seals got stuck on here, so we want to take that off. Just take that off, and then the seal right there, take that off as well. Just wipe it down with a rag, just around the perimeter where the seal's going to go. Take the vent and just put a thin coat of engine oil on that center seal there. Line that up. And push it in place. Take the bolts, get those started. And we'll just snug those down, make sure they're tight. Take the hose, line it up, and push it on. Take this engine cover, line it up. Make sure this hose goes in. Get that lined up. It goes over the mass airflow sensor. Push it down. Lock that in place. Now take the intake snorkel, slide it in position down below, and line it up. Lock it in place. Do the same on the other one. Take this cover, line it up, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.